Yellow option mashaka into kambana Victoria mina Mandla Gingirikani wakamashavan kense swinene kwa mi joinile ka Nkanelo Gingirikani. Thank you guys for joining me on Nkanelo Gingirikani. And then if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are not left behind. So ingatitimeli mingasela nzaku mingasiwi swilo ngwana man mingasiwi swilo. So anakula ku ka video lewani ta va khari nanguta timhaka leti nga humelela ka Refill Giyani Stadium na Mandla la akha aringeta ku tata stadium chele Giyani ra vumbirhi because ro sungula swi humelele hi 2018 hi September la anga fika atata stadium Mandla swi tsakisa swinene ku va event yin'wana ya matimu kahle ya mayemo ya matimu. Ivi then atlavu ya fute hi 2019 afika ku Philip Peter Mokaba Stadium leyi nga fika yi va flop a Peter Mokaba Stadium event liya. And then sweswi wa fute aku Refill Giyani Stadium event leyi yi nga humela a Giyani Stadium ti 3 ta September ku ri Saturday ku ri Mgqivela n'wana tati ku ri kahle ngopfu la Giyani ku horini wa tiva ni ta mi byela ku mina ni ri kwini ku humeleleni mara ka video leyiwani ni la ku mi byela ku ri ni ta vula ku event leyi ve success or not ntlheni mi nyika na swikhedzakedzana swi ni twa ku nga ri swi ni pfune ku ni fika ka conclusion ya mina whether it is a success or not a success. So let's go straight right into it. Let's not waste any time, guys. The picture ti circulate swinene ka social network around voma 9 ku ri busy ngopfu na hoyi mina a ni ri ka Makuleke. Yes, ka Makuleke hala ka Minga ne ka Makuleke ka Minga. Hey guys, mina mtani correct and comment correct. A ni ri ka Makuleke do. A ni ri ka Makuleke ya hala ka Malamlela. And a very like a Warren. Tam byela ku humeleni ka the next video loko ni ri ka Makuleke. Guys a ku ri kahle ngopfu ndhawu leyi. Mara ti picture leto a di voma 9-10 a ti ri ku circulating ka social network ku ri busy swinene man vanhu va kha va hleka. People were laughing. Actually, a lot of people were laughing. Mina, I was not laughing when I saw these pictures. I was not laughing. Even ni bona tun'wana ti picture tlhe fuka fute, you know, ni swi vona ku ni chuha no ku event kambe swi endla ku va a fail, you know, because loko ku faila bini ku failela mina as a munhu wa Mutsonga. Na mina ni titwa nga ri ni fairile that's why ni twa nga ri a ti ni tsakisanga loko ni vona ti picture letiya. I think I'm talking about picture letiwani because ni twa nga ri loko ku faile bini na mina ni failini ku Mutsonga bini. Na mina ni Mutsonga so a ni swi tivi ku vanhu lavan'wana va celebrate yini ku ri busy laha swi kha swi laha guys come on. Even then event ibe recover to be honest with you. And when recovering event in ndlela ya ku vanhu va fiketela banyana va tatatanyana na tindhawu ma pocket lama ma pfulekini mavangwa lama pfulekini va fika ma tatatanyana lani va khwata ka ti picture vanhu va tsakini va tikomba ku vele ku heaven ka fun na ti celebs or ti celebrities ta ka Gaza a ku ri JB Maxine a teka picture lani a famba na xilondza mali. Then loko timhaka ti ri so hina hi ve hi ku ku humelela yini event le ku recovering is good news, very good news. Swilo swi tlhela swi va worse loko beni Mandla se xi nghena xitejini xi sungula ku performa guys. Just to give it context, loko vona ku vanhu va ri laha xitejini vo pfuleriwa beni xi byele ma security ku ma move ku vanhu va kota ku tshunela a xitejini. Xi ku va tshikini va nghena. Van'wana va khandziya ehenhla ka tipala guys kasi ku humelela yini loko un'wana wa laha vaviseka va ta tlhela va ku he njhani va ta machangani nkarhi wun'wana nga zi karhateka hi. As much as event yi recovering ma swi vona ku ti grandstand ta ri empty ku vula ntiyiso at least vanhu lava nga lawa va nga cover man 18 area ni twa nga ri va nga va fikini ka 18 area maybe va tlhela va hindzisa ka D-line va nga va hindzisini D-line na 18 area vanhu lava nga lani wa swi vona ku nga ri na ti-VIP la a ku nga ri na ti-VIP mara ti-grandstand as loko wo compare event leyi na leyi nga hindza wa swi vona ku na ku hambana swinene ka Giyani Stadium, Philip Giyani Stadium na leyiwani leyiwani vanhu va talangi ku fana leswi va ri swona hi 2018 because ti-grandstand timbirhi wa swi vona ku a ti talangi wo cheka na leyin'wana na yona wa swi vona ku a ku talangi mara vanhu va fikini shem vanhu lava tele for my own personal view nti nga ri vanhu lava tele whether this event was a success or not hi ta swi kwala hi ta swi vula before ni lela la loko Benny ma nga ni xibaleriwa ngoma ne this intro kahle you know that vibe so was vona ku tifenta Benny tifkini a xitejini va busy vele ku celebrating vele ku enjoying they are having fun hi man mara why va nga susang tipala la yani why va nga susang tipala Shimbale lawa Superman Shimbale Superman my God mara swona ku vele D-line vai cover vanhu mara ntsembi kwa fikini ka center circle le ndaku le grandstand yin'wana yona yi nga ri na vanhu mara vanhu va fikini shem vanhu va fikini people are having fun man mara na ku mnika maybe 4 factors leti nga tanisa ka conclusion ya mina loko nanguta event leyiwani ni vone nga ri marketing ya yona a ri poor. It was a poor marketing in terms of you know when you market something you need social networks so it means like you have to have your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your YouTube, putting all marketing whatever happening there. That includes interviews on social networks, it includes lives on social networks, it includes mini skits or mini ads on social networks to advertise that event. And then so marketing in terms of that side, social networking, it was poor. I can only say Facebook did well actually. Facebook did well, and you didn't get in Facebook where you market an event out of all the social networks. Facebook posters or Facebook cards leta tamba posto ibina ka advertiser ka Facebook. So ngabula no event Facebook you didn't get in ku advertiser. Mara the other platforms that the social networks kumbishana leswa swin'wana swa the social network, YouTube interviews, YouTube lives, a swi nga ri kona. A ku va na ti-posters ta Facebook leta ti postiwa to tala kanyingi. Ni vona a small clip ya ku advertise festival leyiwani hi Saturday. Mara ni vone ka Facebook, yes, I could read small video nyana yindle Benny I can advertise and I felt like it was too late in terms of that kind of marketing. And then marketing, you'll also include radio, radio ads. You'll include things like big what call those placards or billboards, big billboards. It wasn't there. And then so marketing was poor, let's be honest. But Facebook he pushing event. Mara Facebook alone yinge quote. That's another thing. And then here ka swin'wana nga vula ku Benny before he did this event he released an album. And album it's not doing well, let's be honest. Album Benny I mean I still come na Benny umese album loko hola ku yakanti even if ya bakumbe ayibi mara astwali ku Benny mangani umisi album ntu ngari the fact that album liya a yi twalangi ngopfu kumbe a yi le ku twaleni ngopfu swi nga va swi na impact ya ku vanhu va saka lava fanele va attende swilo leswiya. Factor number 3, we can talk about the lineup. Lineup liya a yi ri weak. I can say that lineup was weak. Yes, Arna Sulmakam, but Sulmakam was announced at the last minute. Maybe 3 days or 4 days before the event, Sulmakam was announced. Also, Papa Rulani was announced at the last minute. So lineup, you know, Kubana, Vaman Flora was there, Josh Rimani, Shungirangani. Mara, knowing event ya bin Mangani, people look back up social bin Mangani Kanyingi, Vatala Kuyela, different kind of artists. I've done a video. Nkanelo Gingirikani hi 2018 loko ku na fill up Giyani Stadium ni vutisela vanhu ku va lava ku vona mani vanhu lava nga lani ku ve na sort of a divide. Van'wana va vula ku va lava ku vona Bini, van'wana va tela ku vona King Manada, van'wana va lava ku vona Hennessy. You know, there was that a spread ya vanhu va kha va vula ku va lava ku vona mana mara ka this time around to ngari lineup leya yi fike yi ndla ku event inga kumi enough attendance le ifane yi kumi. For example, right now if you are doing an event at Limpopo, for example, ningabula nuku, you can't leave Makazi out of it. You know, Makazi has Limpopo by the palm of her hands, and also you can't leave not Master KG man. Master KG was there, but Makazi, she's the one that is holding like crowds right now. Anywhere you can go, Makazi is the person of the moment right now. And then you also would want to know if you want to have people I'll talk about something. You'll need King Manada in the show, and then kukuma a full support ya Batsonga kume Matsonga mahelelini. You also need people who are being listened to right now. Yes, Solmakam is one of them, and then Shungirangan, a person of the moment, also comes with Tonga tradition. And then you can't leave Mr. Post out of it because he has numbers. He has numbers. For example, imagine if this show aku fill up Giyani Stadium, refill Giyani Stadium, Ben Mangane, featuring Mr. Post, Mr. Bao. Mr. Bao, ka crowd dele kaya, honestly speaking, I know Guru Baba Sat Banguranda go Mr. Bao Magaditsimtaye. Mara right now, Mr. Bao angelok trendy ka vanwa lava vanga kusuyinele Giyani Stadium kumbexana vanhu lava va ta kota ku fikelela ku ya ka event a even in fair vanhu lava nga ku trending right now kumbe vanhu lava nga na tinambara right now i Makhadzi. You know, I would have put Cool B was there, ne? No, he wasn't there. I'll put Cool B there because in that number na yena vanhu bile ku ngurandeni right now. And if not Cool B antabakela na Hennessy ka this event. And then like I said line up was weak, so hinge blame Shishotala. For me, the biggest fallout, it was marketing, yes, but the lineup was weak because buying select music akanyingi shate marketing shkahle mara loko lineup iri good vanvata. You can actually just do a live video ka Facebook ivula ku man vanvata, you know, because crowd yabatsonga botala ba ka Facebook, so you could actually do that. That's why even at Facebook it played a bigger role to market this event, ne? Mara kura bana the brands that are associated na this event. For example, whether it's the municipality, whether it's the brands that the bank, you know, like previously I couldn't have apps, have F&B, you know, those things should market event if it really, even you made like whoever is running the show really want the event to be successful. So coming back to issue lineup, imagine akufe kuna lowa kuwana vanlava, because I mean right now Mr. Post ile kurande weni. Right now Shungirangando kurande show was there. Mara the I understand kuna the beef ne. I understand kuna the beef. Malogula I been in fair. I been in honest, guys. I understand kuna the beef. And then after kuna vamunhu wa muni shongirangani vanhu va rhandza simileriani kuna va shoma khombo mana vafana na va paparulani and all. At the end of the day, right now ka Vatsonga are divided into, I can say, two. Look, yeah, I'll say two between Mr. Post and Ben Mangani. So look, ila enter event le ila ku vanhu vo tala vata. Spread your line up, you know. I would have had Mr. Post there. I don't think Mr. Post did that the arena. Maybe I did that the arena. You never know. Mara, it would have been great to have Mr. Post there. This event would have been good. And also have Makadzi. Atateka vanhu vele venda, kuska tsanini, kuska pulukwani, bata Giyani bata uta kubona festival ya kahle ile ta ikhaya humelela Giyani. Loko ku vanhu lava va ri kona. Xin'wana lexi nga humelela lexi nga endla ku maybe crowd yi saka kumbe yi nga titele i ti-pronouncement leti nga ta hi Ben Mangani hi mhaka ya ku loko Mr. Post a ri ka event xona swilo swi endle ku vanhu vo tala va nyama timbilu, and I don't think vanhu va ngizonda Ben Mangani. Even me, I'm wearing hembe leyiwani a ku ri hembe leyi yi fanele a yi mbala. Munhu la nga designela yona hi leyi a designer swimbalo swa Ben Mangani. So there's no bad blood, you know, and I don't think vanhu va ngizonda mara ti-utterances ta yena ti nga ti contribute ku vanhu va nyama timbilu va nga swi tsakeli ku ta va ta n'wi support, and kuma ku a va swi laveni ku ya va n'wi support. Hi leswi a ni vula swona ni nge based on all those things I've said, ni nga vula ku event leyiwani was not a success, but it was better than Philip Peter Mokaba Stadium. So because you have to compare this event na leyi nga humelela 2019 usungula, I mean 2018 loko the first Philip, was it 2018 guys? I think it was 2018, right? Philip Giyani Stadium. Yes. Loko ho la compare na leyi usungula Philip usungula, hi ta swona ku leyiwani event yi ve yi hansi swinene attendance. Even the atmosphere in terms of the mood, the excitement around the event, the build up, there was not enough build up, you know, there was not a lot of talk about around the event. Asungathi ku Mandla Giyani kuna festival like around 3 o'clock 2 o'clock asungathi kombi muni mbyela swin'wana guys, and then ta swi explain in detail loko ni ka the next video ne and ka malamulele hi Saturday on the day of refill, and if kan nghena ka Shoprite ni kuma client le hini ku vanhu va ka Philip Giyani Stadium kasi no I was wrong. Abasha matikiti yo abolweni aka Malamulele Stadium akutanga Black Leopard na Hungry Lion. So vanhu va xavetela byala la Shoprite va tlhela va xa matikiti va tsutsumela stadium xele ka maxaka Malamulele va vona bolo. So loko avakasana ava nga Giyani. Anyway, nta vulavula swona nyana later ka video leyi taka, mara hi ku ya mina event yi ve monetary wise, because kuna cost aku that event look maybe I could na 7,000 people or 10,000 people, let's say 10, kungawa bangawa endleni 100,000, mara ani vanike vanhu matikiti mahala. So imagine loko vanhu lava nga nikiwanga matikiti akuta ku humeleni event guys, like swa nchavisa, because obviously vanhu lava vo tala lava va ri la stadium lava va nga kuwa matikiti ya mahala. Yeah, ku xava matikiti to tala vanhu va nikiwa mahala. And so it's a bit of a disappointment there. I would have loved this event to have been a success myself. And then based on the inclusion of various artists, the spread, you know, the spread wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. Even the marketing, there was not enough excitement around the event. Prior to the event, there was not enough excitement. So ningabula nukushisa so swindle ku event vanhu banga at least banga nyanyuki yona. Yeah, so leswi ni nga mkhomela swona nge event leyani it wasn't too bad, you know, and I would want to give it to Ben Mangani kuri congratulations to him guys, the guy keeps trying, you know. Imagine na Vatsonga I have Ben Mangani I ta tinyungubyisa yini, because this guy is trying, And I also want to say I respect defense ta Ben Mangani. Those guys they are diet faith. But look over that fan page of fan Ben Mangani nga kule vutongweni. Supporting ala. She says supportiwa. Bashiranda ban. Defense ta Ben Mangani ta support association. Mara, it would have been nice to also have a variety of other people who are not necessarily Ben Mangani's fans to attend the event to see their own artists based on who is the trending artist right now. Benny is not the trending artist right now. He's not. Makazi is. And then you can also say Cash Gaza right now. Papa Rlan is a trending artist. So it's just that he was probably announced late. But Mr. Post, it would have been nice to have Mr. Post there. Because let's just actually boost the event. By virtue of having Mr. Post in the event, it will have boosted this event drastically. Giyani said the because of that excitement. Wow. It will have been history in the making as well to have both sides, rivalries, attending the same event. And Benny being the one who is inviting Mr. Post, like he did previously. Look, I invited Joe Shireman, you know. Vibe. It was a good strategy that time. Kuke into the Team Shirmani or Brajo Shirman Kalia Yosungula Kosunjoku. Who are not necessarily Benny fans, but they went to attend the event. But this time around, it was like, okay, this was been, you know. So there was not enough excitement. It doesn't come this one, guys. The event was not too bad. It was not too bad. Mara, it was not really much of a success. If Beni Ayela are one, I would have said this event was a success. For you to just pull a crowd like that on your own, without Solima Kamu, without Papa Rulani, without the other people, Shongirangani, that for me would have been a big success if Beni was just the sole performer of the night. Or just go could be Mangani that was a big success. Actually, I will say wow. But now because she never won, Mara still they couldn't help with the numbers. But honestly speaking, regardless of everything, the utterances ta Mangani le ta ku Mr. Post blah 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 ashungla look show performer kumbishana loku kubuka Mr. Post ashi unjaje leswa swinyamisa vanhu timbili nto ngari swi nga ndla ku vanhu vo tala va nga yi. Honestly speaking, maybe vatwe ngari Beni xa twisisa xina pride, all those things. So what can we say? What do you guys think of this event? Do you think it was a success? Mito ngari we fambe kahle event, and then mito ngari kungachicha yini going forward leswi swi nga tandla ku ri ti event ta so ti va na mandla, ti va na matimba, vanhu va tirhanda va nanguta swilo leswiwani, you know, cause ku hungasa a swi lava mara a swi lava ku boriwa yini, cause loko languta laha i swi voneni ku vanhu vo tala a vo yo badama va rola bya scene before ku va na that recovery. So things like this are not good. I don't like this kind of things. I actually hate coming here and talk about these kind of things. I love talent to celebrate. I like celebrating, you know, to be that to say, hey, well done, you know. But I can't really say Ben Mangani did well. He just did well in terms of you know, motivation and Ben Mangani, and he's very resilient. I should give up, she's a legend, and the Geshina fan basically kulu vashiranda van vashona in tiso. Regardless of whether the album is doing well or not, still the people went there, but not all of them, of course. Kuvena van lawanga titwa ngara nang favor bin maraka this event ntungar angandlang asuna that thing of this evangai, which I can say she contribute on kuan botala vanga kutukufikelela. Yeah. Anyway, please do comment down below and hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also that notification bell. I'm thirsty ni tora shamina Giyani Stadium refill Giyani Stadium. Yamagaza isuka Ay, 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 ay.